Cropping on your iPhone is easier than ever. In 2026, with iOS 19, you have powerful AI-driven tools built right into the Photos app, as well as advanced features in apps like Adobe Lightroom Mobile and Snapseed. This video will guide you through the basics and advanced techniques for perfect image composition. The current state emphasizes user-friendliness, with over 80% of iPhone users relying on built-in tools for quick edits. Let's get started. Open the Photos app and select the image you want to crop. Tap Edit, then tap the crop icon, a square with diagonal lines. You'll see a grid overlay to help with composition. Drag the corners to adjust the crop area. Use 2 fingers to rotate or straighten the image. Tap Done to save. These edits are non-destructive, meaning you can always revert to the original. Aspect ratios determine the shape of your cropped image by defining the relationship between width and height. The crop tool provides preset ratios like 1:1 for squares, 4:3 for traditional photos, and 16:9 for widescreen content. Choose ratios based on your platform. Use 1:1 or 4:5 for Instagram posts, 9:16 for vertical stories, and 16:9 for widescreen videos. For unique compositions, try custom aspect ratios. Keep in mind that cropping permanently removes pixels, which can affect image quality and file size. iOS 19's AI analyzes your image and suggests optimal crops based on composition principles like the rule of thirds and subject focus. Simply tap the auto crop button if available, depending on the specific iPhone model and iOS version. The AI identifies key elements and crops accordingly. If you don't like the AI's suggestion, you can always adjust it manually. For more control, use apps like Adobe Lightroom Mobile, version 9.3 Plus. These apps offer advanced features like subject detection. The app isolates elements like faces or objects automatically, allowing you to make precise adjustments around them. Brush tools let you refine your selections for even greater accuracy. According to App Annie 2025, cropping features account for 35% of Adobe Lightroom Mobile's usage. New in 2026, generative AI cropping arrives with Apple's CropGen feature in iOS 19. This innovative tool intelligently extends image edges, filling in blanks with AI-generated content that matches the original photo's style and context. By analyzing the image's content, lighting, and composition, CropGen creates realistic extensions that allow for creative expansions, such as changing aspect ratios or fixing poorly framed photos without losing important elements. This technology is similar to AI enhancement apps that upscale and refine images, opening new possibilities for photographers and content creators on iPhone. Note that this feature requires significant processing power and may only be available on newer iPhone models to ensure smooth performance. Consider the final destination of your image. Crop for the specific platform or purpose, whether it's social media, print, or web display. Use the grid overlay to maintain balanced composition following rule of thirds principles. Don't overcrop as it reduces image quality and resolution. Experiment with different perspectives and framing to improve composition. Straighten crooked images using the rotate tool in the crop interface. Cropping is the top feature used in 78% of photo edits, with 92% user satisfaction rates for built-in tools, according to Nielsen Norman Group reports. The future of cropping is moving towards zero-click editing, with experts predicting 50% of photo edits will be AI automated by 2030. Look out for AR-enhanced cropping with Vision Pro, where you can walk around 3D rendered images for immersive adjustments. Apple is projected for iOS 20 in 2026. Embrace these advancements for even easier and more powerful photo editing on your iPhone.